John Demathew's 4th anniversary nĩrĩkĩtie gũkinya. Tomorrow being 18th August, the day when John Demathew unfortunately met his death mwaka-inĩ wa 2019, na koguo it is now 4 years since he sadly passed away. Na his two wives, Sarafina Demathew na Carolyne Demathew, erĩ nĩ makũngũĩire na gũkorwo makĩririkana the life and death of John Demathew. Na his first wife, Sarafina Demathew, aihũirwo nĩ gĩkeno kĩnene nĩ akorirwo agĩshare some wonderful news na arũmĩrĩri ake. Oho agĩkĩmera atĩ it is indeed the 4th anniversary ya legend John Demathew, na koguo nĩamĩetĩire igongona rĩa mwanya mũno makĩririkana gĩkuũ kĩa John Demathew, na agĩka gĩko kĩa mwanya mũno kũrĩa akorirwo akĩingĩra nenda-inĩ ciake and changed her profile picture to John Demathew as she marks his 4th anniversary. Arĩguo Sarafina Demathew akũngũĩire John Demathew, na she shared this message here akiuga, morning farm, kesho nitakuwa hapo Kenol OJ for the 4th anniversary of our legend John Demathew, tukiwa na Evans Demathew and many more artists. Tutaanza from 8 p.m. hadi asubuhi. Don't miss out. Come with a friend too. Sarafina Demathew akibora ati this time round they have decided to celebrate na gũkorwo makĩririkana John Demathew's anniversary in a unique and different way, makinyitanĩra na mafans ake na mashabiki ake. Nimegũkorwo makihold a one of a kind and special event dedicated to John Demathew for an entire night, makiririkana John Demathew na gũkorwo magĩkũngũĩra nyĩmbo ciake. Na Sarafina Demathew akibora ati they are doing this in collaboration with Evans Demathew, Ûrîa, the brother to John Demathew, and many other artists ara onao magakorwo makĩyumĩria na gũkorwo makĩririkana John Demathew the legend. Na thutha ũcio onake Carolyne Demathew on her end onake akorwo akĩingĩra nenda-inĩ ciake where she shared this tribute kũrĩ John Demathew, oho celebrate his life and all his achievements, akiuga the late Kikuyu Benga legendary artist John Demathew with 375 songs and 50 albums to his name. John Demathew was arguably the most influential artist from central Kenya during his time. Real name John Ng'ang'a Mwangi, son of Matthew, hence Demathew, and the late Wanjiko. Born in Gathiroini, Mukurweini sublocation, Gatanga constituency in Murang'a County, he was the 4th born in a family of 8 kids. Schooled in Mukurweini, now Gathambia Primary School, then Tunaro Secondary School in Kandara and Igikero Secondary School. Before he ventured into music, Demathew used to hawk vegetables at Nairobi's Soko Mjinga market, then sold meat in Kariobangi, then left to Nakuru where he sold plastic shoes, Sadaki. Music career, he composed his first song while still in Standard 7. He was introduced to full-time music career by Timon Aboro and Joseph Wamombe, who helped him to release his first single, Jennifer, in December 1986, and in August 1987, he released My Dear Duko, produced by Albert Gashero Wamaito, which was the hit that brought him to the limelight. His best-selling song was My Dear Duko and Jatayakwa, which he performed with the nominated MP Sabina Wanjiru Chege. His own favorite songs were Pin Namba and Moyo Tikifade. Piracy started eating up their resources in 1992. His first car, Nissan Bluebird, which was followed by a Toyota E91, demised on the night of August 18, 2019. John Demathew rammed into a trailer while driving his Nissan Navara pickup near Blue Post Hotel, Thika. He was pronounced dead at Thika Nursing Home, where he was rushed for treatment. Rest in peace, legend. Arĩguo Carolyne Demathew akorwo akĩririkana John D on his 4th anniversary. Na mafans onao makĩyumĩria na gũkorwo makĩririkana John Demathew ta mũini mendete mũno, onao magĩthiĩ na mbere kũmwendithĩria kũhurũka kwega. May he continue resting in eternal peace. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.